it going? Yes. Good afternoon. Just a quick reminder, Zoom meeting tomorrow. I'll send out that link soon. I know I said I was going to come on. I wasn't going to come on until later this evening, but I have two announcements spelled wrong. I sent out a remind about the grab and go bags that will be available for pickup on the 22nd of May. They will have all sorts of math and reading goodies for that kiddos to use at home and are SO aligned. You can see that I was trying to hurry up and get this done. Please let me know by the 15th if you are interested. Mrs. Cash, Mrs. Pym, and Mrs. Gersler have been working hard to put these grab and go bags together. They will have tons of math and reading manipulatives that your kids can use throughout the summer to kind of extend their learning. Again, those will be handed out on the 22nd between, I didn't put on here, but between 3 and 5. Miss Cash, Miss Gersler, and Miss Pym will be in the school parking lot. It will kind of be like car riders. They'll be in that little red hut type little building where they stand in the morning for car riders, handing these bags out. I need to know by the 15th of May if your family's interested so that I can let them know how many bags to expect to make. If you are not in Google Classroom, this is announcement number 2. If you are not in Google Classroom, Clever, or have spoken to me about other arrangements, please let me know so that I can help your family access the resources available. My job is to make it easier for you. So you all have to let me know what it is that I can do to help you get to those resources. Make sure you read the letter that's included inside the report card envelopes. It's a Bedford County letter. It's from Karen Woodford, Mrs. Woodford. She goes into detail how we are using the information that we gather each week and why we're asking what you've done and what you haven't done so that we can keep records of what your student is mastering and understanding. And I said earlier in my message about fact fluency, if your student was, in an area, had a 1 or a 2, and they worked really hard during this time, that area could improve. And we could have a little grade change. And that's just what she goes into in this letter. We just got these today, so I'm not sure when y'all will get yours or if you all got yours, but make sure you read that letter. And then please, please, please let me know how it is that I can help your family during this time. I know needs changed at the beginning of all this. I know I asked everybody about internet access and device access, and if that somehow has changed or your needs are changed, or hey, I'm not a teacher and you need help, or you need me to do something different than I'm already doing, please let me know so that I can get you that information without making it more stressful for you and your family. And I mean that, and I'll do anything possible to try and get that information to you. We have packets being sent out. We have Google Classroom. We have emails being sent. We have devices that have been picked up and sent home for kids to access this information. Please just let me know what it is that I can do to help your family access this information better. So May 15th, please let me know if your family is going to be wanting the grab and go bags. And then please let me know how I can help you get to these resources and make it a little bit easier for you. Zoom meeting tomorrow, parents let me know. And I will read a book later. Okay? Have a good day.